Just Enough Eyes. Today I wanted to do a really colorful look. I wanted to play around with different products, different brands. I'm using some Makeup Forever, Inglot, MAC, a bit of Anastasia, Beverly Hills. So I'm going to be showing you how I created this really bold purple eye look. I did some pink glowy blush draping, and I did a matte blurred out ombre lip. So stay tuned to see how I created this look. So I'm going to start by taking a Makeup Forever eyeshadow, and I'll have these all linked down below. So this is a really nice bright purple. I have a whole palette here, like the Pro palette from Makeup Forever, and I don't use this very often, so let's do that today. So I'm starting by applying that all over the lid on an Inglot brush, and I'm going into this darker matte purple. I'm going to use the same brush at first, so I'm just patting it, and then when I have less on my brush I can kind of sneak in towards that other purple to help blend those shades together. Now I'm switching to a small Sigma blending brush. I'm going to go still in with that deep matte purple and start working that into the crease. So going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And every time I grab more product, I want to start on the outside where I want it to be darker and more pigmented. I'm just feeling like I need more of a transition shade of purple, so I'm going to use this one from the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette. So I'm going to go in with this medium purple here to get a bit more of a blend. Still with that same brush. And this one has more pink in it, so that'll kind of warm it up and match the lid color a bit more. And then with this lighter color, I can really expand, work it out further to get a blend. Next, I'm going to use the Inglot AMC Eyeliner Gel number 64, which is a really nice plum. It's a brand new one. I'm so excited to use it. So I'm going to take it on the Inglot 23T brush. I'm just smudging the outer part, just getting a little bit wider. And then following up where I will have a wing going. I'm taking that same purple that we used on the lid underneath on a small Morphe brush and just applying this right underneath where we smudged that gel liner. Just so it has a bit of a fade from the waterline down to my skin tone. So now I'm going to be adding some sparkle with two products, the MAC Dazzleshadow Liquid in Diamond Crumbles and the Inglot Pure Pigment Eyeshadow, the number 120. So we're going to be applying this all over the lid. So I'm going straight in from the tube and applying this quite generously. This is going to be like our glitter glue for the primer, and it also already has quite a bit of a reflect and really cool finish to it. You could just do that and leave it, but we're going to play with this pigment today. Okay, so for liner, I'm going to use the MAC Liquid Last 24-Hour Waterproof Liner, and I'm doing kind of a double wing. So I'm going to start with my first wing. So I'm going to follow my lower lash line up, create my basic wing, going back towards the lash line. And then my next wing is going to go into this crease here. Now I'm applying mascara to my upper and lower lashes using the MAC in Extreme Dimension Mascara. For my lashes today, I'm going to use the MAC 89 Megastar lash with the Callas eyelash adhesive that's latex free. Okay, so now that we've completed the eyes, I'm going to be doing some blush draping today. So I'm going to use the MAC Fleur Power blush, which I have in pan form, on the Sigma Large Angled Contour brush. So this I used to call like a blush contour. Essentially, it's not just applying blush to the regular area. Sometimes I connect like my eyeshadow to the blush, and I also go around into the temple. And blush draping just sounds really beautiful. So I'm going to start just building it up slowly and then going up to my temple. It's almost as if like a bright light in a club is hitting your face, so it's giving you color, you know, on the side of your whole face, which is really pretty. I do it, especially when I do a lot of more like editorial looks. I find it's just a really pretty way of doing it. I'm also going straight into my hair, just so there's no place without it. So I'm just slowly building this with this larger brush. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, the E40 from Sigma, and we can kind of build it up. I think I am going to connect into my eye look a little bit. So just kind of connecting it into the crease here. Coming down to the blush area and up and around. Okay, so now I'm taking the Extra Dimension Skinfinish from MAC in Show Gold. So this is a really pretty pink highlighter. So I'm going to take that on the brush we were just using and highlight where I would usually highlight to the top of the cheekbone. This is just so pretty because it already gives off a pink color, which will go well with that temple draping, blush draping. And I am doing, you know, quite an editorial look with this as well, so I am building it up and really letting that pink glow show. I'm going to try a blurred lip effect with the Powder Kiss liquid lip colors. So I'm going to start with Date Maker all over the lip. And just blend out the edges. And then I'm going to go in with Burning Love, which is this deeper shade, on the center. And then I'm going to blend that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.